Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles. So you do it by basically utilizing the left side portion, or right side portion of the top screen. So right here, if you pull it from the left, it will give you the notifications. So there we go. So from the right side, you'll get your toggles, and in here, by default, you won't actually see the hotspots, so we will need to add it by tapping on a pencil right here. And then you can see there is our hotspot, so you want to grab it by just holding it, and then drag it over to the top, click on done, and now you can access it. Now, don't tap it just yet. What I recommend doing is holding this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. And the reason you want to access the settings is because, let's see, oh, there we go, hotspot configuration. So you want to navigate right here, and you will find password. As you can see, by default, this password is absolutely atrocious. It's not easy to write down, and it's not also easy to remember. So what I recommend doing is completely removing it and setting up your own. The password does need to have at least 8 characters in a length. Once it is, you will be able to select done, which will save the settings. If I, for instance, remove one and it's only 7 characters long, you can see I can no longer press done. So anyway, from here, I'm going to tap on done, which will save the password, and that's actually the only thing that we need to do. And whenever you want to use your hotspot, simply find the toggle once more, tap on it, and there we go. It is right now enabled. And you should see somewhere a icon for it. I believe this might be it, next to the time. Let's see. Yep, so that was the icon for it. So when you enable it, you can see it right here. So from here, once it's enabled, you can connect to your hotspot. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off. Hotspot does consume more battery on your device, so there's really no reason for it to run in the background. So anyway, that is how you can enable it, set it up, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.